The main job of the exhaust system is to move the dangerous exhaust gases from the engine away from the car in order to keep the occupant safe. The exhaust system also performs several additional functions, such as minimizing engine noise and cleaning the gases leaving the engine in order to reduce their environmental impact. Exhaust leaks generally make the engine sound much louder when it's running. Leaks should be repaired to prevent exhaust gases from entering the passenger compartment and to make sure that all exhaust gases pass through the catalytic converter.